You ever wake up the next day and got leftovers? What do I do with them? Well, if you have leftover pizza and leftover chili, or it don't even have to be leftover, you do fresh chili, fresh pizza, and make a chili pizza sandwich. This is how you do it. Now tell me that don't look delicious. Tastes pretty good though. Guy had the right chili. I made that shit. Yeah. So let me know what you think. Try it. Let me know. Or let me know how it looks in my video. Would you eat it? Would you try it? All right, y'all. So hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe.